3 common money mistakes to avoid in your 20s. The amount of money you have has nothing to do with what you earn, but you can earn 20,000 a year and be quite well off. It's not what you earn, it's how you spend it that matters. This video is about steering you in the right direction so that you can make money your servant. Let's go. How's it, guys? Welcome to my channel. On this channel, we help you make money your servant. Sad thing is, many people learn how to manage money after they have made a lot of financial mistakes. Some takes decades to fix. Avoid the small everyday money mistakes. Most people get into debt a little bit at a time, not all at once. Here are my top 3 money mistakes to avoid in your 20s, and watch this video till the end. I have 2 more bonus tips for you. Number 1, life insurance. Do you have life insurance? If something were to happen to you today, can you boldly say your loved ones will be financially covered? Death can be an uncomfortable topic, but don't make the mistake of not getting life insurance. Life insurance gives you the peace of mind to know that no matter what happens to you, those who are dependent on you will be saved financially. Knowing your loved ones have the resources to thrive after you are gone is one of the smartest moves you can make. Life insurance is not expensive, and honestly, the benefit it offers is priceless. Number 2, not investing in retirement. A common mistake most people make is not planning for retirement. You are young and your career is probably still kicking off, and retirement feels like it's decades away, which may be true, but do not make the mistake of delaying investing in your retirement. Start by setting a budget to track your spending. This may help you set realistic goals on how much to start investing and take advantage of compound interest. Number 3, abusing credit cards. One of the most common financial traps, especially in the early stages of your adult life, is accumulating credit card debt. A credit card is a powerful tool to help build your credit history, but a high credit limit can lead you to live beyond your means. A lot of people don't know that the minimum payment generally covers only the interest. You do not want to find yourself in your 40s paying off debt from your 20s. This will be a huge setback to your financial freedom. Now to my bonus tips. 1, don't lend money to friends and families. In most cases, people who will come to you for financial loans is a person you care about. Saying no to him or her will be difficult. However, it is very important that you avoid this mistake of lending money to people. If you want to help, I propose you consider giving out the money you can afford to give as a gift, but not as a loan.
Can I borrow another $10? I need some lotion. No, man, I don't have any more cash. You took it all. What about your bank account?
When you lend money to others, especially to the people you know, you run the risk of putting your relationship and your financial future in danger. Number 2, don't buy a new car. Don't find yourself under the same trap of buying a car you cannot afford. I understand that there might be situations where your lifestyle will change and you require a bigger car. But do you really need an expensive sports car or a luxury SUV? If you want to master how money works and make money your servant, then WhatsApp me on this number below and book your free 15-minute consultation with me today. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and send this video to your friends so that they too can make money their servants. In the next video, we'll be talking about why you should never lend money to friends and family so that you can avoid the risk of losing your relationship forever.